Top stories. State observes 79 Nupilan Day widely in the state. The result of the 5 state assembly election will not affect in the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019, says Chief Minister N. Biren. And Health Minister L. Jayantokumar today inaugurates newly constructed barrack-type quarter and zonal health public laboratory at Primary Health Center Morin. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYARI, presenting today's news. And now let's have the news in details. The 79th Nupilan 2018 was observed today at Nupilan Memorial Complex to commemorate the incident which took place on this day in the year 1939, when women folk of the state retaliated against a strong British force against the excessive export of rice outside Manipur, resulting to increase in the high cost price of rice. Here is a report.
Chief Minister N. Biren and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Jayakumar attended the observance as chief guest and president respectively. Inaugurating the observance, Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers, along with many MLAs, offer thorough tribute to the statue of Nupilal in honor of all the departed souls. Later, a play on Nupilal was also shown, which drew the attention of everyone attending the observance. Addressing the function as chief guest, Chief Minister N. Biren said, "We should respect the women folk instead of just going to the stage and giving a speech," mentioning the ruling government has placed women in a very high status, giving the example of introducing fast-track court exclusively for crime against women and other courts relating to women issues in 1 year. 13 accusers has already convicted, he added.
Priority sector Nupi Izard, Nupi Sanman, Nupi Tona, Madhu recognized of the way they had Kanakoi, Manipuri history, the hand going up fast track court, crime against a woman. The piecing in my oppressor of crime, put up the tuna wine, which are told under the opinion of fast track court in Kale. Handling Katpaga ship how would up say Amoki Manunga, Mara Lava Mioi. Taraga Nitoyum doing the conviction being. I know see Panjali, only have to go.
The Chief Minister further stated that the government has already taken up many activities emphasizing on women empowerment, in which there are 9 SPs and COs in Manipur Police and Manipur Rifles, 10 women additional SPs, and 5 women DCs in district administration, etc. However, there are few women involved in politics till today. He also appealed to all the women to come forward and join politics.
At the secretary level, additional SP level, the young Tara. I see responsible people who go to Nupine and how I get posting them with some responsibility. District should be in charge. Sumaita Gunai government said to practically short on another.
The Chief Minister also said the road from Kaisampat Junction to Sanjentong will be named as Nupilal Road in honor of all the women for their tireless efforts and contribution to the state.
With Kaisampat Tagina, Sigi Nupilal Complex, Sigi Sanjentong Taba, Sigi Lambi Mateksi. Ima the minor labor Katok Rabi Labor Monta Tenarambi Ima Singaduki Ming the Nupilal Road Memorial with the minor Samshira Highway Poyama. Where two the cabinet to Distal Lorga way Laupuk Jargani.
79 Nupilan Day Observation Committee also observed the day at YWC Palace Compound today. Many distinguished persons and representatives of the different women organizations took part in the observance. Talking to the Tom TV News, convener of the committee, Ayekpam Langdolema, said today's event is being held with an aim to fight against crime against women by joining hands together without any discrimination based on caste and creed.
Ngasi akoida nupi singda phangiba chaitheng adagi miot minei adagi phapun mayama maram chadarba mayama khoida thengnari base masigi khudong thibasi thoktana bagi damata akhoi manipurda khunda minoriba phurup khudingmaki nupi myamsi punsan jaraga ngasigi observation asi sinjabani.
United Manipur Muslim Women's Development Organization also observed the day at Manipur Press Club today. President of the organization, Anwari Nur Jahan, said the brave Muslim folk of the state were also took part in the fighting against the British. We should never forget them, she added.
Yamna utpi nei bi matam da yamna thamoi sokpa lanpham adubo ningsingba lanpham adu da yaw khibi ima iben singbo ningsingba haibase ngasi gi miron na tangai phate masa ikoina ima sing ningsingba go loina na ikai kumna ut haibase tangai phate haibo wa hin tho adugo loina na ngasi su manipur da pangan nupi sing amadi manipur gi isilina pumna magna changselibo khungjam khuding makta pangan manipur pangan na hanba leitana chap chaba daito ado lawminnari haibadagi khongpham adugi wahan thokta ngasi nupilan celebration se pangthok sabta.
Social Advancement Youth Association Tekcham also observed the day at Tekcham Laibung Koibi ground today. As part of the observance, prizes were also distributed to the students from Tekcham Gram Panchayat who secure first class in class 10 examination conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur this year. On the other hand, All Manipur Art and Culture Students Union, Amaksu, also held its 10 Nupilan Commemoration Day on theme Ima Singidamak, based on women artists who dedicated their lives for the development of art and culture at the Press Club today. General Secretary of Amakshu, Okram Kolim, said the event is being held in the remembrance of all the departed women who play a great role in the field of culture.
Masih thoram masih matam kaya yumang degi Amakshu hariba lu asina culture gi lamda kathok piduna lagaba ima sakaba artist sinda lupilan ni kamai lena law lupilan da layu khraba ima singa dugumna thongna pharaba culture gi lamda masih phaw leptuna thongna pan kathok tuna lagba ima sing konda acham do piraga ikai kumna bujagi thoram amani.
Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren, has said that the result of the 5-state assembly election will not affect in the coming Lok Sabha election 2019. In an exclusive meeting with Tom TV News on the sideline of the Nupilan observance held at Nupilan Complex, Chief Minister N. Biren further said the election results of the 5 states is not concern for BJP, but it is indeed giving a chance to work in a more careful manner. The Chief Minister also said it is just a difference in few seats. However, removing Congress government from the Northeast state is a huge advantage for BJP.
My party, Sarkar Semgi Baduna Mani, but MP the girl Laiba Potu, my party, and just even the anti-incumbency factor 10-15 years later, the MLA Mangataruki Kenabakatani Haribako. Adagi am nungai ba mana totally Congress Northeast gi root out tokre adagi huji TRS Telangana gi kari gi du dum khoi gi moi gi apun ba frandusu kaire kair kana even maduna khoi gi BJP ne alliance in adu the support people ni aduna state amma ni the handrog engine ji de mamang su tawina aduna sina khoi BJP gi karisu section
Health Minister L. J. Kumar today inaugurated a newly constructed barrack-type quarter and Zonal Health Public Laboratory under the National Health Mission Manipur at Primary Health Center Mori. As part of the program, free diagnosis lab, X-ray, anesthesia and ultrasound was available to the public at Mori Sub-District Hospital. Youth Affairs Minister Letpao Haukip, MLA and Indrazit and Director of Health Services Dr. Razo were the main guests at the event.
Myanmar activities Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, the Southeast Asian countries the kusam naraka laloni ki khangde am khangde odi Myanmar ting pangna bhai ki kusam sai ar sig development sig marak sinai da akon health hadin hai se akoi hakchang ji mi show be hek naraba adu target di loidana ai si lagi
normally akoi gi district sing de su Chusangpur na taba atay gi district sing si mamingi khaktana Chandel khangde ama khangde Chusang kano gi Tamenglong khangde so building am leram gani mamingi doctor posting adi maming da di leram gani mi su leram dong man de hai bagi akoi gi chanabi in some areas sing the ESSC si da chatpakanda veranda de san.
With that, let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us.
Tom TV, the first private satellite TV channel of Manipur, now available at Tata Sky on channel number 1973.
Welcome back. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam today inaugurated the 44th Annual Athletic Meet 2018-19 of Sainik School Imphal East, along with a green room entitled Kangla Dwa today. During the meet, students will complete in gymnastic, aerobic, march, past and PT. Addressing the inaugural function, Education Minister Radheshyam said, new ideas will emerge only when the students are free from pressure. Parents must not pressurize their children to get good marks, he added.
During our journey of life, some places, somewhere we also could not succeed, we failed. So we are trying to impose on our children. When parents become very demanding, the children do not become creative. Creative we need to guide simply and allow them to think so that they become creative, they become innovators.
A combined team of Imphal West District Commando and 32 Assam Rifles today conducted search operation at the surrounding areas of Phailen Court in Kangpokpi under the supervision of DIG Jayanta. The search operation has been conducted after the kidnapped 3 workers of Sivalaya Company by suspected Kuki militants were safely rescued by security force yesterday from Phailen Court, which falls under the Kangpokpi police station. However, no arrest has been made during the search operation. MLA of Thangmaiban Assembly Constituency KH Joy Kisan said it is need after hour not to bring public development work in political point of view. He said this during the inauguration function of Naharol Lysenber Club building at Thangmaiban Sinam Lekai. MLA Joy Kisan further said everyone must work together without any political influence. Development of the society is for everyone and not for any political party. On the other hand, club is only to ban drugs but also to make it an institution for the new generation to gain new knowledge, he added.
Lamdam sida lairiba singsina akhoi chawkhat thorangi maigaida tawrokpada masida political yengbida ba haitar politics ki aigi mage ba wakhum dana tongana thambiraga lamdam magi chawkhatpa purpu matam dadi punamakna support tawbi haibase ayakna thamjari club singsina laikai sidaida akanba akhoi gi chairak pibai wafam na tab educational class taw youth akoma phara phuraga nongalaga youth oi haba phom sei yaningde adisum du makoi de gyan tahana bo hona ba makoi gi nupi hang de gyan tahana bo hona ba.
JSC of All Manipur DPC completed recruitment candidate of police constable male 2016 batch urged the state government to stay the Manipur police constable male 2013 batch result. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, President of JSC Muhammad Ataur Rahman said the Supreme Court of India has ordered the High Court of Manipur to recall the impunch order and hear the matter on merits. Besides, the state government declared the result of the DPC of Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch. The government should be responsible for any outcome. On the other hand, 2016 re-recruitment DPC was held after the state government cabinet decision, he added.
Masida honorable Sam Amadi government at Tabi Bataragadi, Makataba, education or the form of Kudimak, Apata, Dita Kudimak, education Kudimak, Sakana Pudame Haina, GSC Makadi mixing Jari.
And now let's have a short break.
Lengsin Biraksi, Pravia Emporium. Iramdamgi Iyongda Sajaba, Ningti Zaraba, Fizo Singh, Pige Rani, Wankai Inafi, Silk Half Amadi Full Sari, Amasung Atay Makal Matel Kayagi, Fajaraba Nupi Singi Oiba, Fizo Singh, Kongbigani. Pravia Emporium, Singjamai Chingamathag near Jemon Gas Building.
All Manipur BDF Welfare Association demanded to pay off their 3 months pending honorarium and the salary for the month of December. Speaking to the media person at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of the association Muhammad Riaz Khan said the demand of the BDF must be discussed at the winter session to be held on 20 and 21st of this month to provide updated honorarium along with security services. If their demands are not discussed at the winter session, they are ready to protest.
Masina takpadi BDF sing se strike tor o haibagi strike ki parton pibani na khoi lawe maramaduna hairiba hujik maksu saliba December thasi yauraga tha ahumgi honorarium se khoi pending da leiri hairiba honorarium se khoi association na maile na ba higher authority sing da thizar matam da su akoi CPIS ta SIN da base toroga lei SIN CPIS da base toroga leirak pase hadak saliba sahi siga sahi mari sure adu sumaina koi SIN da base toroga polo se khoi na tha ani khudingi ahum khudingi strike toroga dagi khoi na tanaraga sum phangbagi mong na sum tawbasna akoi BDF sing da strike tawnin bagi amadi tawhanna bagi baton tawba masi matung da tawbiganu maramaduna lakliba date 20 December gi sifogi mangoina na December yauraga Christmas ki advance pay ga iroin halaga thaungi honorem se date 20 December bithok piu kari ko bithok tawta ragadi masigi matungda koi makhal makya kya gi akanba education kaya ama sangsilakna bagi tamakta welfare association na siam saraga lei.
National Institute of Public Cooperative and Child Development, New Delhi and State Institute of Rural Development Manipur jointly organized a 3-day training on capacity building program for elected women representatives of Panchayat Raj institution at the office of Jila Parishad, Pachau in Jiribam. The program was attended by women Panchayat members of Jiribam district. Attending the program, Adaksha of Jiribam, K.H. Chanaki said the 3-day training program will deal with utilizing fully the empowerment given to women, which will help in undertaking various activities towards the betterment of a society with the help of their elected representatives. First district level open chess Tournament 2018 organized by District Chess Association Jiribam has concluded. P. Amuyaima, K. Gopandro and H. Kishokumar took first, second and third place respectively. Addressing at the prize distribution ceremony, SP of Jiribam Police, M. Mubi said, chess is one of the noble games. Most chess players are always quite noble.
Players,
the Congress ended the BJP's winning streak in the three heartland states of Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh yesterday in elections that are seen as semi-final before. In Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan conceded defeat and congratulated Congress State President Kamal Nath for Congress performance. Congress made a stunning comeback, winning 99 of 199 seats in Rajasthan. Top leaders of the Congress will meet today to discuss and decide who will be the Chief Minister of the state. According to sources, Ashok Gehlot has emerged as the front-runner for the post, another popular choice for Rajasthan. Chief Minister is Sachin Pilot. Chandrasekhar Rao struck gold in Telangana, winning 88 of the state's 119 seats. The Congress Telugu Desam Party alliance won 29 seats. Meanwhile, in the Northeast India, the Congress lost its last bastion to its arch rival, the Mizo National Front (MNF), sweeping the Mizoram Assembly polls by winning 26 of the 40 seats. Chief Minister designate Joramthanga expressed happiness at the victory and said his party would impose total prohibition in Mizoram as promised. Liquor was banned in the state till then Congress government lifted it in 2015. Joramthanga made a comeback after losing two consecutive assembly polls in 2008 and 2013. The results of 5 assembly elections will impact the ruling India government's arithmetic in the Rajya Sabha. There are 13 seats from these 5 states, of which the BJP holds 8. These seats will fall vacant in 2020. The BJP is the single largest party in the Rajya Sabha. And now let's have a short break. Welcome back. Counting of votes for the Assam Panchayat election 2018 is underway. Over 78,000 candidates are in the fray. All the major political parties, including BJP, Congress, Assam Gana Parishad, Bodoland People's Front, All India United Democratic Front, AIUDF, Inter Alia, are contesting the election. As per the preliminary trends, the BJP is ahead in election for Anchalik Parishad, Panchayat Sabhabati and Panchayat Sadasya. The final results are likely to be available only tomorrow since polling was conducted using paper ballots. The counting is underway amid tight security. CCTVs have been installed in counting centers. The two-phase polling concluded on December 9. The first phase of the polls had taken place on December 5 in 16 districts. In the second and last phase, polling was held in 10 districts. In total, 82% voting was recorded in the election. On Tuesday, repolling was conducted at 53 polling stations, which went to polls in the second phase of Assam Panchayat election. Curtains came down for the 10-day-long 19th edition of Nagaland Hornbill Festival at the Naga Heritage Village, Kisama, as it concluded on December 10 with Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patton and Italian Consul General from Kolkata, Damaino Francovi, who jointly lighted bonfire. Damaino Francovi, as the guest of honor, thanked the organizer for inviting him to be a part of the festival. He said that he came from a country where tourism industry played a major role and said the Naga cultural heritage could be of great interest for both domestic and foreign tourists. Francovi was of the view that attracting large number of tourists from both India and abroad could become a major driver of economic growth for Nagaland. And now let's move on some newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Assembly Elections Results 2018, Congress takes 2 states, Telangana picks K. Chandrasekhar Rao again, Mary Kom honor with Mithoi Leima title, road name after as boxer, Rupees 10 lakh handed over, tracing origin of Barak River ahead of Barak Fest, 3 abducted employees freed. The People's Chronicle, Congress scoops 2, Telangana Rashtriya Samiti backs Telangana, Mizo National Front Mizoram, State Congress leaders glee, BJP undeterred by loss. Mary Kom honor with Mithoi Leima title, police CSOs differ on rescue tale, Honda company's all-new CR-V launch, MPS officer detained for prof in drug haul case. Imphal Free Press, Congress knocks out BJP in Hindi heartland, Telangana Rashtriya Samiti gamble plays off in Telangana. Victory, defeat integral part of life, Prime Minister Modi after election results. Narcotics and Affairs of Border arrests a DSP for drug trafficking. The Morning Bell, State honors Mithoi Leima Mary Kom, names rod after boxer. Training for 2020 Olympic glory, says ex-boxer. Narcotics and Affairs of Border arrests Deputy SP Banka Bihari in alleged drug dealing. 2019 elections will be tough for BJP Modi, says Rahul Gandhi. Fishing should ban in the months of June to August, says Dr. R. Ravi Babu. Manipur Students Federation urges for fair examination 2019. Manipur Mail, Congress triumphant in Hindi bell, loses Mizoram. Manipur ignores state artisans, weavers, helps outsiders.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. State observes 79 Nupilan Day widely in the state. The result of the 5-state assembly election will not affect in the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Health Minister L. Jayendrakumar today inaugurates newly constructed barrack-type Quarter and Journal Health Public Laboratory at Primary Health Center, Muri. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur Update.